Welcome to the MistAway Systems video training series. In this video, we'll show you how to prepare a Gen 1.3 leak detection component for the wintertime. Tank systems that have leak detection use a component known as a flow meter to process and locate leaks within a nozzle circuit. During the wintertime, temperatures can freeze the contents trapped inside the flow meter, causing it to expand. When the fluid expands too much, it will crack the device, rendering it useless and forcing a replacement. One thing MistAway's tech support team hears quite often is, "I live down south and it doesn't really freeze here." Our answer to that is, it only takes an hour or two to freeze the leak detection component, and we believe that you're better off safe than sorry. So with that in mind, all systems that are not in use during the wintertime should be properly winterized. To complete these winterization steps, you'll need the following tools: a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, tube release tool, air compressor or air tank, and an air blowgun. Before we get started, please disconnect the power to the unit. Step 1. Gain access to the inside of the housing assembly and locate the flow meter. First, locate and remove 4 Phillips screws that surround the controller. Then pull the controller away from the black shroud and set it aside. Once the controller is removed, you'll see a gray plastic or brass flow meter with 1/4 inch push-to-connect fittings on both sides strapped to the chassis assembly. Step 2. Disconnect and blow out the flow meter. Before we complete this next step, it's suggested that you disconnect the 1/4 inch tubing that goes to your nozzle circuit. On the left side of the flow meter, opposite of your nozzle circuit, disconnect the 1/4 inch black tubing using a tube release tool. If you find it difficult to release the tubing, cut the plastic zip tie with a pair of wire cutters and then try again. With a compressor or air-filled tank, hold a blowgun to the inlet side of the flow meter. Slightly press on the blowgun, triggering it and releasing a light, non-forceful stream of air into the flow meter and blow out any of the remaining water. It is also suggested that you lower the pressure of the air hose to about 80 psi. Okay, so let's review the steps. Disconnect the power to the unit, gain access inside the unit, disconnect the flow meter, disconnect the nozzle circuit from the unit, and last, blow compressed air gently through the flow meter. Also note, these set of instructions are for Gen 1.3s with leak detection, and that other steps are necessary to complete winterization. To locate all instructions, please refer to your manual or on our dealer support site.